recently, I kind of forgot about it and put it in the back burner, but it was brought back to my attention. So one of the ministries that we recently partnered with here in Jacksonville was Project Restore Ministries. And so just meeting Marilyn, I just want to kind of show you guys about this ministry. So she just kind of reminded me, they follow the Helping Without Hurting model. And that brought this course back to my remembrance. And it brought the content, because another thing that had happened is, as I was getting mentored through the Kingdom Driven Entrepreneurship program, my mentor had actually recommended this book. And so I had started reading the book, and it started making a lot of sense and was really aligning with some thoughts that I didn't really know, like, oh, somebody else is thinking like this. Someone else is thinking that we got to work from the inside out to begin to change things. We got to work from the mindset to begin to change things. Because share like properties, we can buy all the properties, we can buy all the things, but then if the people in the homes aren't changing, then the neighborhood still is not going to change. So until, God connects us with people, because we're in the people business, whether, whatever we do, we're in the people business. So this is one of the things that was really like, wow, and to meet somebody else that Project Restore Ministries, they're not in the real estate side of things, but they are on the financial side of things. So they are teaching people how to break generational poverty cycles through financial education. And so Marilyn is who I've met, and she just really brought this full circle for me. And so while Share Like Properties is teaching this today, in the future, we're really just going to come underneath the umbrella of Project Restore Ministries and start, leading people to the Helping Without Hurting course later on. But for now, we just wanted to teach this real time, because this is the way that God has called us to walk. So I'm just excited, and I just wanted to share this nonprofit that really just brought that light back, and they just do faith and finances through the Trauma Center. So all their training, even this Helping Without Hurting course, it comes through the Trauma Center.